Hi, Joe from RDI here with our next tips and tricks. Today we're going to talk about installing Oberon on a 45-degree angle. Now, we don't advertise this part in our catalog. I'm going to show you how to use another common part and a couple little tips to make it work. First thing you'll need is either a 2.5 or 4.25 inch Avalon post. I also followed the instructions in the Oberon top rail to cut it to the height where my deck board will just line right up with the top and be able to go over the top of it. Next, I used a level angle bracket set. Again, we don't have one labeled Oberon. I picked a Pellinor one. I'm going to throw this shape end cap out and just use the Oberon one that came in my box. The Oberon top rail comes with screws to attach the deck board, and I've done that here, but because of the swivel on the level angle or 45 connection, the last point I can put a screw is right about here, leaving 2 or 3 inches without an attachment point for my board. If I have any chance of holding this miter, I really need to get another screw closer to the end of the board. Here's 2 potential solutions. One, this is just an angled piece of aluminum that I could use to screw to the post and then up into my deck boards to get another attachment point right near the miter. Or maybe just a single piece of aluminum up under the joint for the 2 boards, again, to try and keep that miter joint together. Now I'm going to leave these unfinished, but I know a great place where you can find a video on how to use our color match touch-up paint. Here's our angle aluminum solution on the outside corner, and here's the strap aluminum on the inside corner. If you can, I'd recommend using the outside corner, less visible when you're on your deck, but really if you color match these to the post or the deck board, you'll never notice it. Don't let a 45 angle get in your way of installing a nice libation rail. For more information on Avalon and tips and tricks, visit us at rdirail.com.